What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, another Ram TRX update video for you today. Today we're going to be doing something that's cheap and easy to do if you're just trying to switch up some things on your TRX or your Rebel truck, any other thing you want to do. What I'm referring to are the bedside graphics. So these are the aftermarket graphics that I bought on eBay. I think they were only like $20 or $30. I did make a video on them a few months ago. Today, just going to be switching them up. Company hit me up, Dragon Grip / Night Reflective, see if I wanted to kind of work with them a little bit and try out their reflective film. So they did it, some gold reflective graphics that we're going to be installing on the truck. So just going to be switching it up for a little bit. Quick easy way of just switching up the way your truck looks a little bit. Let me go ahead and give you a quick look at what I'm referring to in here. Kind of cool, the reflective graphics. When light shines on them, if like a flash from a camera, they kind of glow a little bit. So you can see on there, Dragon Grips, and inside here we got the actual film. You can see Bright Night. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So there you go. Here's just a good look at the actual film that we're going to be using, like the vinyl. And then right over here we got the TRX graphics. So the ones that I have installed on the truck now are a bit smaller of a graphic, where these are going to be true to size for the same graphics you would get from the factory, so a little bit larger. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and get these installed on the truck, give you guys a good look. Like I said, quick, easy, cheap way to add some color or just switch up the look of your TRX. So let's go ahead and get to it. So went ahead and just laid them out, trying to get them as flat as possible to make it a little bit easier for install. But this is the company right here if you want to hit them up. It's right there. There's their email, or you can go ahead and use that QR code if it's showing up. Facebook, Instagram, go ahead, hit them up. They do all sorts of custom graphics. So I'm going to go ahead and just give you a quick comparison here, just so you can see. Pretty similar in color. And then to the actual Method bronze. This is, the wheels are bronze, where this is kind of like a goldish kind of bronze, but I think it'll look pretty sweet. So by no means am I a professional at doing this, but hopefully you kind of saw what I did there. Is I lay a piece of tape right down the middle to try and make kind of like a hinge, so it you can flop it over on one side. So then I line it up straight over here. I had taken my measurements, looked at pictures online and stuff to more or less just kind of gauge it. So strip down the middle, do this side first, get this all nice and straight, and then over here I use the tape up top as more or less just like a guide, so I know the edge of the the transfer tape should meet directly right underneath the little blue line tape. So that's how I more or less kind of just stick it on there. Again, I'm by no means a professional, this is just the way I do it. So hopefully you can see it is straight on there. Again, I'm kind of at an angle, kind of tilted because I'm in my driveway. My driveway slopes. But yeah, go ahead, get this on here. Gonna go ahead and peel away the transfer tape so you can see the final product, and then we'll go ahead and get the other side done. There it is, as you can see, pretty sweet. Go ahead and give you a look from back here. Awesome. So when it gets a little bit darker, I'll show you exactly what I mean with the film actually being reflective. But yeah, I like it. It looks pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and get the other side done. So, sorry about that. The GoPro started acting funny on me and decided to die, but wanted to go ahead and just kind of show you like a quick kind of demonstration, and hopefully it'll, you know, kind of pick it up on camera here. But see, like there's, you know, natural there, and then you can kind of get like the little bit of reflective kind of hue to it when you get a little bit of light on there. It's kind of hard to show. I don't think it's really gonna display all that well on camera, but go ahead and give you guys a quick look again. So here you go, guys. If you want anything, you know, reflective film, any sort of TRX graphics kits, hit them up. There's a QR code right there. So yeah, just want to give you guys a quick walk around. Let's see if I can hit it with the flashlight. You kind of see there, definitely kind of get like that kind of reflective hue to it. Hopefully I can get some better pictures of it at nighttime. If not, I'll throw some still pictures with flash so you guys get a better representation of it. But there it is. Looks really cool. Quick, easy way to kind of just switch up the look of your TRX a little bit. And they have all different sorts of colors, so don't think you only have to go with like this kind of bronzy goldish color. They got, you know, black, white, green, whatever. They got everything there. So hit them up, tell them Wimya sent you. They'll be happy. They'll hook you guys up. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Believe it or not, I've already had the TRX for a year, so the next video is gonna be my year in review of the TRX. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.